you are a complete beginner in the AI world just like me, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to see what is ChatGPT, how it works, and how we can create an account on ChatGPT, and how we can use ChatGPT. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. What is ChatGPT? Chatbot GPT 3.5 or ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to generate human-like responses in conversational settings. It builds upon the GPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer Architecture, which is a deep learning model that uses transformer neural network. It means it is developed by OpenAI, and GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it works or it uses a transformer neural network. Okay, so hopes you got about the ChatGPT. So the next thing is how ChatGPT is trained basically. So the GPT 3.5 architecture is trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet, allowing it to be learn patterns, grammar, and even some level of understanding of various topics. It doesn't possess real-time comprehension or factual knowledge beyond its September 2021 knowledge cutoff. So it means it only have the knowledge till September 2021. Instead, it uses statistical associations and patterns learned from the training data to generate responses based on input it receives. So it is basically a chatbot where you ask questions and it gives you answers. Let's get into some more detail as well. So how does ChatGPT work? So to generate a response, ChatGPT takes the input message or a prompt, and it processes leveraging context of the conversation up to that point. Then it predicts and generates a suitable response based on the pattern and information like we previously discussed. It has learned from the training data. The model is fine-tuned using reinforcement learning from human feedback to enhance the quality of responses. So this is how it improves the quality of responses. And one more thing which I want to tell you about the ChatGPT is, please note that while ChatGPT strives to provide accurate and helpful information, it can sometimes generate inaccurate responses as well. It's always a good idea to verify the information from reliable sources. It means we can use ChatGPT, but we have to check out the information to verify the information from the reliable sources if that information is true or not. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT and how it generates responses. So let's get into how we can create an account and how we can use ChatGPT. So there are two ways to use ChatGPT, and the first way is that you type chat.openai.com. okay, in this way you have to just create your account, which is just simple, providing the data, like you have to click on sign up and you have to just provide the data like your email, your password, and you can create an account on ChatGPT. You can even log in from the Microsoft account as well. So this is the interface of ChatGPT. This is the first way. So basically this is a prompt that I'm typing, which is write me 1000 words essay on pollution. Let's see what response it gives. So basically you can see it has written me essay on pollution, a looming threat to our environment and health. So it is a complete essay. You can see the power of ChatGPT. And this way you can write some prompts and you can ask the ChatGPT and it will show up you the results. And the second way is you have to type beta.openai.com/playground. You can see it is also ChatGPT, but it is more customizable. You will get plenty of options like if we click on the model, you can see the model is 003 Text DaVinci, which is the latest one. You can get the idea. Like it is saying most capable model in GPT-3 series can perform any task other than GPT-3 models can, often with higher quality, longer output, and better instruction following. It can process up to 4000 tokens per request. Okay, so this is TextFury 001, it is TextBabbage 001, it is TextAda 001. So it has all the information here as well. You can even load presets as well, like to summarize for a second grader, text to command, and other stuff as well. So it is a bit customizable, but I like this interface more. And if you are looking to find prompts, then I have created a video on the most useful ones. You can click on the screen and watch that video as well. Thanks for watching.